Our first day at the gym.
I am so ready. I want to get strong.
Let's start slow and easy.
Slow? I want results fast.
There is a beginner class. I will take it.
A class? I will just lift weights.
Maybe warm up first?
Warm-ups take too long.
They keep you safe.
I will be fine. Watch me.
Okay, be careful.
I will lift the big weights.
Start light, okay?
Maybe. We'll see.
I will be in my class.
See laughter. Stronger.
Tom, that looks like a lot of weight.
I want to impress people. Big weights.
Maybe take some off.
No, I can do this. Watch.
Be careful, go slow.
Lifting it up. Okay.
How does it feel?
It feels very heavy.
Can you push it back up?
I am trying. It will not move.
Tom, are you stuck?
The bar is on my chest.
Do not panic. I will get the trainer.
Hurry, please.
Trainer, we need help over here.
It is so heavy.
I have got it. Up it goes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That was too much weight.
I wanted to lift big.
Start light. Add a little at a time.
Okay.
And warm up before you lift.
I skipped the warm-up.
That is why you should not.
Got it. Slow and steady.
And use a spotter for heady lifts.
A spotter, right?
The gym is not a race. How is it going?
Better, but I still want to push hard.
The trainer said go slow.
I will try the treadmill fast.
Not too fast, Tom.
Just a little fast. Whoa.
Hold the rails.
Okay, I grabbed them. That was close.
Slow it down.
Slowing down. Better.
In my class, we go step by step.
And you are not tired?
A little, but it feels good.
Maybe your way is smarter.
Slow and steady.
I will remember that tomorrow.
Good morning. Time to get up.
I cannot move.
What do you mean?
Everything hurts.
Try to sit up.
Ow, my arms. Ow, my legs.
You did too much yesterday.
I cannot even lift my coffee.
Here, let me help you.
How do you feel?
I feel great. A little sore, that is all.
How? You went too.
I started slow. I warmed up.
The trainer was right.
And so was I.
Yes, you were both right.
You are moving a little better now.
A little, but I learned my lesson. Start light and warm up first.
That is the right idea.
And the gym is not a race.
Slow and steady.
Slow and steady, like you.
We can go back next week.
With the beginner class?
Yes, together.
And a very lightweight.
The smallest one.
For now, can you open this jar?
Ha, of course.
My strong wife.